1. Try a keyboard-friendly wipe. If your keyboard is only mildly sticky, you might be able to clean it with a simple disinfectant wipe. Wipes including Sonicloth Plus, KY wipes, and Clorox disinfecting wipes are safe for most computer keyboards and will remove bacteria as well as sticky substances. Make sure the wipes are not overly damp by squeezing out excess liquid before cleaning. Opt for a disinfectant wipe that contains up to 0.5% hydrogen peroxide. 2. Clean the keys with rubbing alcohol. Take a lint-free cloth and dab it in isopropyl rubbing alcohol. Gently rub the cloth over the keys. Pay special attention to any keys that are particularly sticky. These keys may need more than one pass of the cleaning cloth. Never pour alcohol directly onto the keyboard or keys. 3. Pay special attention to heavily used areas. Some areas of your keyboard will have more sticky buildup than others. These areas may need an extra scrubbing. High-traffic keys like the spacebar or Enter key might require you to scrub a little more thoroughly than other keys. 4. Use a toothpick to remove stubborn buildup. If you find that rubbing alcohol or a keyboard-friendly wipe aren't removing tough debris, try a toothpick. Use the end of a toothpick to carefully dislodge debris and grim that is stuck to the keyboard. 5. Polish the keyboard with a dry, lint-free cloth. Once you have cleaned the sticky reside from your keyboard, you can polish the keys. Use a soft, dry lint-free cloth and gently swipe it over and around the keys. Your keyboard should now be clean, dry, and free of sticky substances.